Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine and welcome to another cozy living diary. I'm just back from a spin to Mount Congreve in Waterford with my mother. We had a lovely time. It's a beautiful place, and there's actually a load of places that you can stay on the grounds. They have a few lodges and cabins and not a load. There's probably maybe 7 or 8 places you can stay. I think they have some glamping tents now as well. They look nice. Some of them are quite pricey, but they look nice, and the minimum stay I think is 2 nights. They look nice. I'd like to do it sometime. Hi cutie. Oh, are you? Hi. Oh, are you friends with everybody here? Hi. It's purring already. Oh, are you a spoiled kitty? I would probably skip the lunch next time. My coffee was good, the food was just okay, and there's loads of places you could go in Waterford for food, and so I would probably get like just a coffee and a cake next time that I'm there. I was going to make myself some supper and sit outside on the patio, but there's only about an hour of sunshine left before the sun is going to set. It's kind of late. And it would be nice, but I think I'm just going to make my supper and a cup of tea, just a sandwich and a cup of tea, and I'm going to get cozy on the couch and read Accomplice to the Villain. I started this last night. I'm only about 23 pages into it, so I'm very much only at the beginning. This is the 3rd book in that series, and it's a really fun series. It's perfect for reading after finishing Alchemized, which was quite heavy, and I loved it. It was really good, but it was heavy. It was dark. So this is just a nice dose of silliness to enjoy after that. So here's my supper. I'm having a wholemeal pita with turkey, lettuce, tomato and some avocado, a cup of tea, and then my water bottle that I literally always have with me, my phone and my book. And I want to pick out one of those background things for the TV, one of those things on YouTube. I have a Summerween one on at the moment, but it's just fireflies, night ambience, which is nice, but I'd like something with a little bit of music to go with this book, Accomplice to the Villain, which I'm excited to read this. I actually couldn't remember anything about the second book. I had to look it up. It is Friday now today, and it's lovely out again, but it's that real nice kind of summer's day where it's not really hot, it's just nicely sunny, gentle breeze and not overly hot. So I'm going to spend as much time as I can outside today. But before we do that, my mother is doing some baking today, so let's see what she's doing. She's making an apple tart, and I think she's making scones. She's already after making soup. She's basically attacking the kitchen today. Really looking forward to the apple tart. She makes the best apple tart, and I won't hear any arguments about that. Her apple tart is the best. I'll think about helping her. Probably won't. Are your hands cold? Surely not. No. You're after doing way too much. No. Easier to film when someone else is doing the things.
It's supposed to be like fine breadcrumbs.
Yeah, it is really like fine breadcrumbs. Are so tanned. Look at us. The heck?
Fly or something.
Yeah. It is Saturday and we're just back from Ross. We went into Deegan's and Hub 16, which is basically the same place but two different premises. And Hub 16 is a bookshop in Ross, and Deegan's is like a toy shop and they have some arts and crafts stuff. And I also went to Baru, I think that's how you say it, Baru, and got myself just a gorgeous a dirty iced chai and two pastries, which I'll show you in a minute. They're very pretty. And in Hub 16 and Deegan's in Hub 16, I got this book, which sounds so good. Really excited for it. I'm reading Apprentice to the Villain at the moment, which kind of has a similar kind of sound to it, but Apprentice to the Villain is leading way more into comedy, and I'm actually getting a little bit annoyed with it. It's the third book in the series and it's getting a bit frustrating to read. And I also got this colouring book, Spooky Cute, which is just like, it's just me. And I got some oil pastels. And Stevie got some D&D books. We went into Hub 16 because we wanted to see, they've recently added on this little section onto it. It is small, but it has all of their like nerdy hobby stuff in it. Nice little morning out, and I got my coffee is really good. It's a dirty chai, which means it's a chai tea with an espresso in it. And let me show you the pastries. Look at how yummy these look. Oh, they look so lovely. This is so pretty with the little flower. I think it's gooseberry. They Baru opened a new smaller premises, Baru Biog, which means small Baru, and it's just like a takeaway coffee and pastry shop. Really nice. I'm so excited to try these. Pastries were nice, but a little bit too creamy for me. I think they were just fine. My dirty chai was really nice, and every other pastry I've had from there has been really good, but those two were just kind of okay. I shared them with Dad and we have half of them left still in the fridge. But for now I want to try out my new oil pastels and my Spooky Cute colouring book. This is perfect for Summerween, isn't it? It's just perfect. I wonder, is there any themed Summerween ones? Are they all Halloween, October, autumn? Now Summerween is supposed to be in June, but I'm kind of seeing it as the whole summer. I got these today because when I was in secondary school I loved using oil pastels. I didn't really use them in college. It's been a really long time since I tried using these, and I used to really like them, so I want to try them out again and see what they're like and see if I can remember how to use them. Probably not, that was a very long time ago since I was in secondary school. I like the range of colours in them, and they're supposed to be soft, which is what we need, what we want. I'm going to pick out a simple-ish picture from this so that I can get the hang of using the oil pastels again. They're kind of a sticky kind of thing. I used to really like the other pastels as well, the chalky ones, but I loved the oil pastels. So let's find an image. I think we'll go with this one. It's a nice, there's not too much detail on it. It's for me to get used to the oil pastels. So I'm going to do this now, and I'm going to catch up on some YouTube. I have a load of YouTube videos to watch. I haven't watched any YouTube in probably about 2 weeks, I'd say. Which is just not like me. It's not normal. We're going to Disneyland Paris in September, so I want to watch a few Disneyland Paris vlogs. Very, very excited about that trip. Here is my picture. First time using oil pastels since I was in secondary school, and I really enjoyed using them. They're so nice to use. I used some Q-tips or cotton buds to blend them, and I tried using a bit of vegetable oil as well, but it didn't work very well. So I think baby oil might work better according to the Google. But yeah, I loved doing that. It was a lot of fun. And these colouring books, the paper that's in them is pretty thick. I don't know how well they would work if I used more oil to blend them, and I probably won't do the whole book in oil pastels anyway, but I am expecting this to transfer onto this page when I start, like if I colour in this page, the one that's over it. I am expecting all of that to start coming off there, but there's surely a way to seal it. I know with the other pastels you can use hairspray. I don't know, there might be something out there to seal that, probably is. I just have to look for it. But yeah, very, very happy with that. I'm so looking forward to doing more with these and figuring out other ways to use them, how to get them to blend more and try different colours. So we're going to leave it there now for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.